So if you're anything like me, you need your sleep, and having insomnia, not sleeping well, that can be such a drain on your energy. So let me help you get better sleep. Welcome back to Self-Care Karen. This video has got timestamps in it, so just check out the video description if you want to skip ahead to the tap along sequence. This video is part of my EFT, that is Emotional Freedom Technique series of videos. And if you want to get a bit of an introduction to what EFT and tapping is all about, then take a look at this video up here. If you can see it, I don't know, there's a link up there. Also, just to let you know that I sell companion items in my Etsy shop, selfcarekaren.etsy.com, that can help enhance your EFT journey, like I've got an EFT journal and ready-made scripts. And if there is a topic that you would like me to cover in an upcoming video, then please just let me know in the comments below. So sleeping well is important for a variety of reasons, and adequate sleep really is essential for physical and mental health. It allows your body to repair and regenerate, and it helps you to maintain overall well-being. When you sleep well, you are more likely to have a positive mood, improved memory and concentration, and a stronger immune system. Not getting enough sleep can lead to a range of negative consequences, including irritability, check, difficulty focusing, check, and an increased risk of illness. Also, a greater risk of developing chronic conditions such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. So for that very reason, or for those very reasons, it is really important to prioritise getting enough good sleep in order to maintain good health and well-being. So where does EFT, or Emotional Freedom Technique, come into all of this? Well, it is probably the right time, the perfect time to reprogram your mind and body so that you can achieve better sleep. EFT is a really effective alternative therapy for working through your limiting beliefs, your emotional blocks, and building a thought pattern that will enable you to live your best life. And with sleep, I find that you can sometimes get into a bit of a cycle, a negative spiral, if you like. So that's why I've created this video, and it definitely works. I have tried it out. Okay, don't worry if you've not seen my introduction video and you really haven't got a clue what EFT is. It's not a problem. Just do what I do, say what I say, and you will be fine. Also, just to note, you might want to do this tap just before going to bed, so you know you can get nice and comfortable in your bedroom, in your bed, and help me help you get to sleep and have a better sleep. So I'm filming this in the daytime, but hopefully it'll be nighttime for you, and you're just absolutely ready to have a gorgeous sleep. You're comfortable in your bed. Take off your glasses, take off your makeup, get all into your pajamas, all of that stuff, and just get comfortable and take a deep breath in. And we're going to start with the karate chop. So this is where you hold your hand and just tap here. I am calm and peaceful. Now my day is done, and I love and accept myself. I have done my best today, and I love and honour myself. I let myself rest and recuperate through a good night's sleep, and I love and respect myself. Okay, going to the eyebrow. I am proud of what I did today. Side of eye. I am ready for my body and mind to relax. Under eye. I am grateful for all I learned and experienced today. Under nose. I believe I can sleep well and have sweet dreams. Chin. I am ready to enter deep sleep. Collarbone. I release any limiting beliefs I have about being able to sleep well. Underarm. I am ready to sleep the whole night through. Top of head. I am safe and secure where I am. Okay. Eyebrow. I am grateful for all of my blessings. Side of eye. I am letting go of any negative thoughts and feelings. Under eye. I choose to be at peace right now. Under nose. I feel all the tension just melt away from me. Chin. I choose to believe that I can sleep well tonight. Collarbone. I will fall asleep effortlessly and peacefully. Underarm. Sleep comes to me easily. Top of head. My mind is calm and serene. Eyebrow. I am ready to have wonderful dreams. Side of eye. I allow myself to sleep deeply. Under eye. I deserve to sleep well. Under nose. I am ready to wake energized and restored tomorrow. Chin. I let go of any limitations I have placed on sleeping well. Collarbone. Tomorrow is another day for me to grow. Underarm. I have done enough today and it is time for me to rest. I choose to sleep deeply and have sweet dreams with everything I am and everything I am becoming. Now take a deep breath in and release that breath slowly. I know that you can sleep better. Come back and tap through this sequence as often as you need to reprogram your thinking and achieve the best sleep ever. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll be back again next Monday with another EFT tap along sequence. And don't forget that on Fridays I upload a beauty product related video. Remember, you are in perfect time. Take care.